Chief Minister Siddaramaiah on Monday said the BJP was opposing the Karnataka Hate Speech and Hate Crimes Prevention Bill as it was allegedly involved in making hateful and provocative speeches. He said the legislation was aimed at maintaining peace and brotherhood in society and curbing the growing menace of hate speech. The bill was passed by both houses of the state legislature during the winter session in Belagavi, which concluded on December 19 amid strong opposition from the BJP and JDS. It will now be sent to the governor for assent to become law. The BJP has termed the bill draconian and an attack on free speech, urging the governor to withhold assent. Responding to criticism, Siddaramaiah said only those indulging in hate or provocative speech need fear the law. He asserted that the legislation would apply equally to all political parties, including the Congress, BJP and JDS. Questioning the BJP's opposition, the Chief Minister said hate speech could not promote social harmony and noted that such rhetoric had increased in recent times. To stop this and maintain peace and brotherhood, we have brought this bill, he said. Under the proposed law, hate crimes would attract imprisonment ranging from 1 year to 7 years, along with fines of up to 1 lakh rupees for repeat offences.